That is so satisfying. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Pixelray MUA, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty new Nude palette. This is what it looks like. It comes in this dust cover, and then this is the actual palette itself. I'm going to open it now because you guys will see it further in the video. Now, if you're wondering why I'm in this background, if you've seen my last video, you will know that we've moved house. I will leave it linked in the cards for you, whichever side it is, so go check that if you want to, but unfortunately my film room's not ready, so I've had to improvise today. I do explain later on in the video, but unfortunately I'm filming on my phone today because I've lost the charger cable for my camera, which sucks. So yeah, I think it's going to be in a box somewhere. Fingers crossed it's in a box somewhere. So yeah, I was halfway through filming with my actual camera and then it cut off, and I really wanted to get this filmed for you guys. I'm actually going out tonight, so I really wanted to wear this palette. I've had it for over a week and I haven't touched it, and it was a birthday present. So yeah, I was super excited to actually try it. Don't forget you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'll just leave the handle down here for you. It is just Pixelray MUA everywhere. If you are liking this video, please don't forget to smash that huge thumbs up. And if you do like my content, hit that subscribe button down below. I'd love to have you here. If you would like to see what I thought of the Huda Beauty new Nude palette, then just keep on watching. So guys, as you can see, I've started with all of my base makeup on, my lips and my eyebrows. My lips is the Ofra Liquid Lipstick in Charm by Manny MUA. I'm also wearing the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation and Concealer, Hula Bronzer Sleek Blusher in Rose Gold. I'm also wearing the highlighter from Soft as Nails palette, and as usual just Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Bar Pomade on my eyebrows. Now if you keep looking at the viewfinder, it's because my battery is flashing, and in the house move I've managed to lose the cable to charge the battery for my camera. So if this doesn't last, I might have to switch to my phone, which I know is not great. It's okay quality, but not great. So today I will be testing out the Huda Beauty new Nudes palette. I got this for my birthday from my mum and dad. I did obviously pick it out myself, and I've been really looking forward to trying this particular palette. I've never tried anything from Huda Beauty. I'm not gonna lie, I've had a little bit of a swatch of I think it was 2 of the shades, and they were beautiful, and this palette is stunning. I'm going to come a little bit close to you guys. Please excuse my hair just being pinned back like this, just to keep my fringe out of the way whilst I'm doing my makeup. Usually, obviously I normally use my headband, but I've done my hair. I don't know why I did it first, so I don't want to mess it up. But so this is what the palette looks like. I think it's really beautiful. So this here is like embossed and quite shiny, and then the background is nude. It is matte, and I absolutely love the dust cover on this palette as well. I just think that's absolutely stunning, and it's such a nice touch. You can really feel the quality in this palette. This palette was £56. I know that is quite expensive, but obviously for me it was a birthday present. It comes with a nice big mirror, which still does actually have the sticker on. So this is what the palette looks like. I will give you a close-up in a second. So there's some mattes, some shimmers, some glitters and some satins, I believe. There's also down here a concealer, which is really cool actually. I'm quite excited to try that. So yeah, I will just give you a close-up. So my battery literally has just died, so I am filming on my phone. I'm so sorry if the quality is really shit. I know it's not going to be great, but please just bear with me. Okay, so as I was saying before, I was rudely cut off. I am actually going to be trying out these new, well they're not new, they're new to me, the Flex brushes from Makeup Revolution. Now I know that they've had these out for a while. I had them in the sale and I got a really good deal on them. So yeah, I really wanted to try them. I do have the whole set. But first off, I'm going to go in with the shade Bear. I'm just going to take that on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to use that to sort of set my eyelids. And the next I'm going to go in with a shade called Teddy, which is this shade here. And again, just on the fluffy part of the brush, I'm just going to take that shade and start popping that into the crease. And I can already tell that these are really pigmented. Yes, can you see? So I'm just going to build this shade up. So as you can see, that just blended really, really nicely. Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera all the time. It's so different to looking at the lens to my actual camera, because it's like off to the side, so I feel like I'm looking like over there, but to you guys I'm probably looking straight on. So yeah, if I do keep flicking back, it's just because I'm, one, making sure we're still filming, and two, I'm just a bit all over the place. I'm now going to go in with the colour Raw. And again, I'm just going to start placing that into the crease just so we can build up a really nice transition shade. Oh, I can tell that this one is super, super pigmented already. Yeah, look at that. Oh my god, they blend like a dream, like honestly. So that, you can see how well that's blended, and that was literally just one like dip and then a tap off. Wow, honestly you guys, I can really see why these shadows are expensive, because they blend so, so nicely. Okay, so I am just going to take a clean fluffy brush and just start blending all around the edges just to make that really seamless. So that's that shade down. I am noticing a tiny bit of fallout, but as I've said before, when I've used higher end palettes like this and they do have fallout, I don't mind so much, especially when they're really pigmented and they blend really nicely. To be honest, there's no fallout on my face, there just seems to be a little bit of kickback in the pan. I'm actually going to go in with this colour here called Tease, and again, that's just going to go straight through my crease, but I'm going to just pop it onto the other end of this brush, which is still a fluffy brush, but it's just a little bit smaller. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the colour Love Bite and Spanked. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sort of mix those two together, again take it through the crease and then just down onto the outer corner. Okay, like so. And then I'm just going to go back in with the colour Tease, just on the very outer corner, just to add a little bit more definition. Oh my god, so I was just looking at what colours to use, and these are some of the shimmers, and just look at that, look how shiny they are. That is Daydream and Crave. They are beautiful. I am looking at like the glitters, but I'm not sure. I think you're going to need some glitter glue, and yeah. So look, if you look at those, they're like proper glitters, the top bit here. And I don't know where my glitter glue is, so I might have to come back to that one, but I might use one of these beautiful shimmers. Okay, so on a flat brush, I'm actually going to go in with the concealer. I think, it's just called Concealed, so it's just this pan here is a concealer. So I have just set it with the colour Bare as well. So I really don't know what colour to use. Like, this is Fantasy, and they're just so beautiful. Like, just look at those shimmers. I'm definitely going to try the glitters a different time. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Fantasy, which is this colour here. And I'm just going to use the flat brush and just start packing that onto the lid. Let's try with a finger. Oh my gosh, can you see? I'm hoping that this camera is doing this justice, because wow. Oh my god. Okay, and then obviously just to get into the crease and the corners, I'm just going to finish it off with the brush. So these do work much better with your finger. I have never seen a shimmer like this before. It literally looks like foil. Wow. I really don't think that this camera is going to do this justice, because this is actually stunning in real life. Oh my gosh. So I'm just going to go back in with these two colours and tease, so that is Love Bite, Spanked and Tease, and just blend on the shimmer. Okay, and then under the eye I'm just going to mix Tease, Raw, Teddy, Love Bite and Spanked. Okay, and then I'm actually going to try this colour here. It's called Daydream. And I'm just going to try popping that into my inner corner. Just going to go do my eyeliner and mascara off camera. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've now done my eyeliner and mascara. I've used the Benefit Gal Bag Mascara and the Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick eyeliner. This is the final makeup. I really like this palette. I just think it's just gorgeous. I think all the shades are absolutely stunning. I really can't wait to play with some glitter. I need to find out my glitter glue. So I will probably post those looks on Instagram, or I might even do another tutorial with this palette, because like I say, I did really like it. It's made a really nice birthday present. I know it's super expensive, but I obviously am a makeup artist, so this is something that I find is worth the money personally, just because, yeah, I collect makeup, I love makeup, it's my thing, it's what I'm into. So yeah, if you guys want to spend £56 on a makeup palette, then I don't think you will be disappointed. But alternatively, if you can't afford it, or you just think, oh my god, £56 is so much money for a palette, then fair enough. So guys, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that huge thumbs up and just hit the subscribe button down below and press the notification bell, then you'll be notified every time I upload. It really means a lot to me when you guys subscribe, as it means I know that people are enjoying my content. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!